Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video from DigiSci. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to save payment method on Fashion Nova. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Fashion Nova application and let's just say add something to your bag. And now simply go ahead and head into your checkout page. When you're on your checkout page, they're going to ask you for a payment option, also including your address detail. So when entering your payment option, you want to simply go ahead and click on the save payment method right over here. Once you entered it, it's going to appear. And once you click on the save button, it's going to be saved right over there. The second way you can do it is going to be by tapping on me and make sure that you are logged in into your account, and then head into your account setting and then head to payment method and save it there. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.